The iSpring WCB32O Whole House Filter offers comprehensive water filtration by removing up to 99% of chlorine, sediment, and other impurities, ensuring clean and safe water for the entire household. The system's braided stainless steel hose connectors come equipped with an integrated ball valve, providing a robust and easy-to-use solution for managing water flow in tight spaces. Installing the iSpring WCB32O is straightforward, thanks to its user-friendly design and detailed instructional resources, which make it accessible for do-it-yourself enthusiasts. This high-performance filtration system utilizes a 5-micron sediment filter and quality coconut shell carbon block filters, meeting rigorous NSF and ANSI standards for maximum efficiency. Unlike reverse osmosis systems, the iSpring WCB32O preserves essential minerals while removing harmful chemicals, maintaining the natural taste of water. With a 30,000-gallon capacity, this system guarantees long-lasting filtration performance, supplying a family of 4 with clean water for 6 months.